Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Power BI tutorial, we are diving into one of the most powerful DAX function, that is filter. If you are ever wanted to extract only the data you need from the table, this is the function you have been looking for, right? Okay. The filter function, uh, you know, in DAX returns a table that contains only the rows that meet the specific conditions. Okay, think of it as a custom filter you can use inside your measures and calculated tables. Syntax. See, syntax is filter inside the table and filter expression will be there. Table means the table you want to filter. Okay, filter expression means the condition for the filtering. Hmm. Let's say you have a sales table, okay, with columns, order date, region, and sales amount. And if I want only the sales from the East region, okay, if I want the sales only from the East region, then what can I write here? Look, East region sales is equal to filter of sales region is equal to East. If I write this DAX, it will create a new table. This returns a table with only the East region's sales. I'll show you the data here. Look at here. It will show only the East region sales here. It will create a table. Remember, filter always returns a table. So you can't directly use it in a card visual. You usually nest it inside the functions like calculate. Then it will work. Okay. Then let's say we want the total sales of for orders above 50,000. Look here. We have the table, orders date, region, and sales amount. Here we want total sales for orders above 50,000. See, which are all the rows above 50,000 here? This one highlighted in yellow are the greater than 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are all what? Above 50,000. Now, how to write the DAX for this? Let's check on that one. Look at here. I have already created the DAX measure for this one. High value sales, okay, is equal to what? Calculate sum of sales amount. Inside that, I'm using the filter of sales of sales amount greater than 50,000. Correct? Here, what it will do? The calculate is aggregating the sales, but only for the rows where the sales amount is greater than 50,000. Correct? This is where filter really shines. Okay, row, it's a row by row evaluation happens here. You can look at the result here. Okay, west 52,000, south 60,000, east 72,000, and north 55,000, so on. It is giving the result this for the sales greater than 50,000. Here also I already highlighted this one in the PPT, and you can look at the result as well. Filter table sales that is greater than 50,000. Clear? Now, I'll give some quick tips for using the filter. Okay. First thing is, it does not modify your original table. Okay. It creates a temporary filter table. Second thing is, it's often used with calculate for advanced measures. Fine. Third point is, filter can be slower on large data sets. So, use it only when necessary. Okay. Next. So yeah, that's the filter function in Power BI. simple but extremely powerful when you combine it with other tax functions. If this helps you, give the video a like, subscribe, or more Power BI tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Okay, thank you.